Hey everyone, welcome to the TenorShare PDNob channel. If you have ever downloaded a PDF, maybe a form, a report, or a scanned book chapter, and found you can't select a single word, no highlighting, no copying, no searching, it's completely locked as an image, you're stuck. The solution is OCR, short for Optical Character Recognition, and in this video, I'm going to show you the best methods to turn any static PDF into a fully searchable and selectable document, whether you're on your phone, your computer, or just using a free online tool. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the most convenient option if the document is physically in front of you. Mobile OCR apps. Your smartphone is a powerful scanner. Your camera and photo viewer has a built-in OCR feature. Additionally, apps like Cam Scanner offer a great variety of features for cleaning up and enhancing scans. Microsoft Lens is fantastic for Microsoft ecosystem users and even offers text-to-speech. And iScanner combines reliable OCR with unique tools like signature and ID scanning. The process is generally the same. You open the app, point your camera at the document, and take a picture. The app then processes it, and with a tap, you can extract all the text, saving it as a new, searchable PDF or copying it directly. It's perfect for receipts, notes on a whiteboard, or any physical paper you need to digitize quickly. Now, if you're dealing with digital files already on your computer, especially ones that need high accuracy and perfect formatting, you'll want a dedicated OCR software. That's where TenorShare PDNob comes in. Here's how simple it is. You open the software, use Windows Explorer to find and open the file. As you can see, there are several tools that you can use to work on PDF documents, and also you can see that the software has detected that you have an image-based PDF. You need to select the OCR function. Make sure to select either searchable or editable PDF, specify the page range, choose the document language for best results, and hit start. In seconds, PDNob analyzes every page, recognizes the text with impressive accuracy, and embeds it as a selectable layer while perfectly preserving the original layout, fonts, and images. As you can see, you can select the text, highlight, and copy the text. You can then export your brand new, fully functional PDF. Why choose software like PDNob over other methods? 3 key reasons. First, it offers higher accuracy, even on blurry or complex documents. Second, it maintains the original layout much better than online converters. Your tables, columns, and formatting stay intact. And third, it works completely offline, which is crucial for sensitive or confidential documents you don't want to upload to the cloud. But what if you want a completely free, no installation option, and you're okay with losing some of the original formatting? Enter Google Drive's built-in OCR. Simply go to drive.google.com, upload your scanned PDF, open it, and select Open with Google Docs. Google will automatically process the file, run its OCR in the background, and open a new document with all the extracted text. To get it back as a PDF, just go to File, Download as PDF Document. The major pro is that it's completely free and accessible from any browser. The con? The formatting can sometimes be a wild ride, with text boxes and images rearranged, and sometimes it doesn't even work at all. So it's best for simple documents where the raw text is all you need. Our final method is another built-in tool, this time for Windows users. Microsoft OneNote OCR. If you have OneNote, you already have a decent text extractor. Just open OneNote, insert an image of your document. You can take a screenshot of your PDF. Right-click on the image and choose Copy Text from Picture. You can then paste that text anywhere. It's great for quickly grabbing text snippets. The pro is it's fast and integrated. The big con, it provides zero layout preservation. You get a plain text block, and it's not designed for multi-page PDFs at all. So, which method should you choose? Here's a quick comparison to wrap up. Mobile apps are best for quick, on-the-go scans of physical documents. Google Drive's built-in OCR, best free online option if you can tolerate potential formatting issues. Microsoft OneNote is good for fast text extraction when formatting doesn't matter. But if you need the best accuracy, perfect layout preservation, and the security of offline processing for your important digital files, then TenorShare PDNob is the professional-grade tool that delivers. If this guide helped you, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And for links to the tools we discussed, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.